Jordan 1 Travis Scott's finally here. I can't believe it. And if you copped from Offspring like I did, you might have been blessed with one of these dope tote bags. If you didn't, sorry for you. What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another sneaker review, and this is for the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott. Jeez! So the shoe is finally in my possession. It feels like months that I've been stressing every day. As a sneakerhead, it happens. You get stressed like, I cannot miss out on the shoe. I love me some Jordan 1s, so I was like, I cannot miss out. This actually makes it number 1, 2, 3. That's 3 times 10. That's 30. Number 30 on my Jordan 1 list, and it had to be a super banger. Luckily, it was the Travis Scott ones. As I said, I've been stressing for time, just hoping that I'd get my chance to get this pair. And thankfully I did, as you saw from my video that I posted on Sunday. I think that was a pickup video from Offspring, so salute to Offspring. They're the ones that blessed me with my pair. They seem to have a lot. As you saw at the pickup day, it was a madness, so everyone went home happy. So let's tuck into my box, show you what the shoes are like. So basically, since these shoes have been known to be coming out, I've literally not done much like research on the shoe at all. Like, I didn't really want to see videos or anything like that. I just wanted to take it in. I knew from the visuals that I wanted it anyway, so I didn't need to see all the little minute details and all that. So there's been some bits that I've seen, like from looking at my friends' pairs and all that honestly I didn't even know it was on the shoe. And now that I've seen it, I'm like, even better than I thought it was. If it was just the reverse swoosh, I would have been interested anyways, but there's so much more. But let's get to it. First of all, the box. Again, didn't know it comes in a brown and red box. I thought it was just a standard black box until I saw it up close and I was like, rah, it's actually a brown box. Very cool, very striking. On the box itself, it says Air Jordan 1 High OG, TS SP, and colorway wise is sail, black, and dark mocha. God damn, the shoes are fire. Let's tuck it. So the first thing you notice when you do open up the shoe is the dope paper. It's actually wrapped in double paper, but this paper here has Cactus Jack written, Cactus Jack logo, the Wings logo, even Nike Air. Very cool. They went to town. I hate when they do a special shoe and they don't do a special box or anything special with it. I'll always go in on the Spider-Man origin stories. They let everybody down. They showed a special box, but it turned out to be some friends and family thing. Not cool. Not cool at all. This is what it should be like. But enough of the box and the paper. See the shoe. And boom. Here is the sneaker in its super duper brown buttery glory. And emphasis on butter because it is just woof, insane. But yeah, let's get into the little details of this kick. So as you can see, it's pretty much a standard Air Jordan 1 silhouette. They've not changed that much to the actual shape of the shoe, but there's obviously loads of details that have been changed on the shoe. But let's start out with the little toe area here. It is done in the buttery, the most buttery of buttery brown suede or nubuck, whatever you want to call it. It is that change color stuff, like super duper nice to touch. There was a similar-ish material on the back of the yellow ochres, but nothing like this. They went next level. It is that lovely change color, lovely to the touch. Like, they killed it. They absolutely killed it with these. The toe box, I believe you would call this a sail colorway. I'm sure it said sail on the box, so I'm sure they're referring to the white parts of the shoe. So it's done in a nice soft leather on the toe box. My mate has got a pair, and he was saying that the toe box on his pair compared to some others is a little bit different, and it creases a little bit different. So I guess I have to see wearing it for a while if I've got that more buttery one or the one that sort of creases more. I don't know. He might be just overthinking it. I don't know. Shout out to my boy Jeff. But yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, sail on the toe. Then hair. Hair is the bit that is super duper eye-catching, and also the part of the shoe that I'm in two minds about. I'm not in two minds about what you might think. So first of all, it's got the gigantic reverse swoosh. This is done in a nice, super soft black leather. Then you've got the big hit of sail behind it. I love it. I think it's super dope, super eye-catching. The big negative space, I can see it being, some people don't love it because of this big negative space here with the white, but the swoosh just looks fire, and it is what it is. But when you switch to the medial side, you see it has got a regular swoosh, and this is the part of the shoe that I don't like. It's not that it's ugly, obviously it's fine, but I just wish it had the same big swoosh on both sides, and I think it would have been way better. I think the transition from big to small is just, it's not it, to be honest. It's not that it looks whack or anything, but I just don't think it works as nicely. So that is my pretty much only gripe with the shoe. Other than that, it's pretty much fire. But anywho, back to the details. So on this part of the shoe here, you've got the black wings logo. It's in a sort of shiny material. Back of the shoe again is in that lovely buttery suede, and you get a little embossed Cactus Jack logo on here. As you notice on the ankle collar, it's not actually made of your standard leather, but you'll find out why in a little bit. Back to the medial side, as I said, it's got a regular swoosh in that black leather, and just hidden behind it is Cactus Jack stamped on in 3M. I'll hopefully be able to show you what that looks like for flash and all that, but very dope. It's got the Cactus Jack logo with the little 3 dots on the side there. The rest of the shoe, the midsole here is done in that sail colorway, similar to what you find on the Couture and I guess on the Unions as well. So that's super fire. And the bottom of the shoe in that dark mocha again with Nike Air written there. Tongue is your standard mesh tongue done in all white with red and white tab for Nike Air, but if you flick over here to this side, it's got Cactus Jack in black with the red text. Very, very dope. And as I said about the ankle collar before, it is not just this material for no reason. Hidden inside the shoe here is, if I can pull the Velcro apart,
12 seconds later.
It's basically a stash pocket done in red satin inside the shoe, so you can hide your money or other bad stuff inside there, and that is why it has that very nice touch. Inside the shoe itself, in this insole, it says Cactus Jack in red text, and yes, super fire shoe. I'll show you the other pair because that comes with the spare laces and all that, so let's get to that pair. So the other shoe comes with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 extra laces. And if you know me, you know I love spare laces, so they've answered my prayers. Actually, when I was at Offspring, my boy Terso, shout out to him, was lacing up his shoes with the red laces, and I was like, you brought red laces with you? Where do you think of bringing that? And he said, no, it's in the box. I was like, whoops, that showed you how much I've not been checking. Every time I've seen these online, I've pretty much seen them with the black laces or the pink laces. Pink laces bang. I think the only reason I'm not using it right now is because everyone's using it, so I might eventually, because I think it does look dope. But I'm sticking to the brown ones in my pair at the moment. But yeah, comes with a black pair, pink pair, red pair, and this sail colorway as well. And I've seen pictures now of all the different ones, and to be honest, they all work. So it's up to you what you want to do, if you want to mix match or whatever. I've stuck to brown for now, keep it a bit neutral and all that, but you can jazz it up however you want. Anywho, let's get to the fun part. On foot, let go. And we're back. That was a quick look at the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Cactus Jacks on feet. Tell me what you think. In fact, don't tell me what you think, because I know you think it looks dope, because these shoes effing bang. So hard. So yeah, sizing wise, standard Air Jordan 1. Some people go half a size down. I personally stick to true to size. I've got a size 10, UK 10 in pretty much all my Jordan 1s. I've got a 9.5 in the swooshless lows, but I don't know if that was an exception or what, but they fit me fine in that. But otherwise, UK 10, so stick to your true to size. And if you're buying from the resale market, be freaking careful. I have seen loads of horror stories already about people buying off like certain websites which I won't mention and getting sent fakes. There seems to be a lot of fakes out there, so be careful if you're picking any up from the sort of secondary market. Like, don't want to get stung paying £800 and you get a fake. That will break anybody's heart. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this review. I've enjoyed making it and I've enjoyed holding the shoe and just taking it all in. Follow me on Instagram, @ashbashsneakers, dope pictures pretty much every day. Twitter's perfection7, and yeah, I'm out. Later.